So after adding the Hall effect joysticks onto my PS5 controller, I did not have perfect circularity. This is how I'm going to recalibrate to ensure that it's getting 100% of that circularity, and really just going to focus on getting 100 so that we don't have to worry too much about over triggering. Here you see I'm just going up bit by bit until this gets to 100. There we go, we're at 1. On this side, we need to decrease. We need to go quite a bit to get this to that 100. At 94 still. $99. Let's go a few more here. Let's see, we got 3780. There we go. At the bottom, what are we looking like? We're at 100 at the top. The bottom side here. Let's decrease this a bit. Just make that even. There we go. Let's just save this and test